and welcome back to Python Fundamentals. In this video, I'll explain about some inbuilt string methods called split, strip, and translate. In my previous video, I have covered most of the string inbuilt methods, and only the three methods are left behind, that is split, strip, and translate. Now let us see what is a split method. Split is an inbuilt method which splits the string into a list where each word is a list item. So how are you? So apply this method to the string, right? X dot split. So as I told you, this method will split the string into a list. So let us see. So this is the list, right? Always the list will be enclosed with the square brackets, and each word is split into a list item. Now, so we have three list items and three words in the strings. So each word is a list item. So that is a split operation. Now we can split. We can use a separator also. That is, we can tell where to split the string. Suppose if I take hi, how are you? And if I write, use the separator, I want to split the string exactly at the exclamatory mark. Then it will split the string in exactly at the exclamatory mark into two list items. Now here, even though we have the four words in the string, but it has, because we have used the separator, so we asked to split at a particular separator exclamatory mark. So it has written into only exactly, it has split it at exclamatory mark and written the string as two list items. So that is the difference between the using the split without the separator and with the separator. That is called split method. And next is called the strip method. Now let us see what is called strip method. Strip method is a method which is used to remove white spaces, right? So it can be used to remove white spaces before or after the string, or only the right to the string or left to the string. So we can use strip method. Suppose we take x is equal to how are you. So insert some spaces between before and after the string. Now if we write x dot strip and apply. So see, when we apply the strip method, the white spaces before and after the string are removed. And we have the special strip methods, that is right strip and left strip. Right strip will remove the white spaces right to the string. So after the how are you, we have some white spaces, so they have been removed. And if you use left strip, all the white spaces left to the string will be removed. So the spaces here will be removed if we use L string. See here. So we can use the strip method to remove white spaces before and after the string, or we can specify that we want to remove white spaces right to the string or to the left of the string. That is called a strip option. And then we have the next method called translate method. Translate is a method which returns the copy of the string in which the characters have been translated into a table constructed using make trans function. So we'll see, we'll take an example and then we'll write, suppose if I take x is equal to how are you, right? Now we have to translate. You can translate. Before translating, we have to use a function called make trans method. So what are the characters you want to translate in the string, we have to mention. So take a variable z, and now you take the string x. In the string x, you want to make trans, what are the characters you want to translate? You can write here. You can write a capital H. I want to replace, translate with the small h. And then now, so we have explained what are the characters that are to be translated. Now apply the method and printing. So I'll write, now you have to take the string x dot, now use the translate method. And then what are the characters you want to translate? H with capital H with small h. So that is in the Z. So you write Z. Now use make translate. See here, first we have explained what are the characters to be translated by using make trans method. And then we have applied to the string by using translate method. So the capital H has been translated with small h. Now we can also do it in a different way. So I'll take, suppose, string s is equal to, I'll take hi, right? How are you? Now I'll take two variables, x is equal to hi and y is equal to hello. This is second way of initializing the string. So we have three characters. We can use only three characters. Hi, I'll write hi, right? Now I apply the same method. So here, instead of giving the characters, right, we'll give x and y, because we already said hi must be replaced with capital hi. So you can directly mention with the variables x, comma, y. So then use make translate. Z is equal to, so this is x, so because we have taken string as s, so you write s. See here. So hi, that it has been, first we make the translation of hi to hi, capital hi, and then apply to the string. So this is another way of translating using that translation method. Let us suppose if I give the third variable, so I have used hi, and hi. Now I'll take and one more variable called EA is equal to I take question mark. Okay. Now let us see what happens. So we have used two. We have translated a single characters, and we have asked to translate by this group of characters. So small h with capital H, A with capital A, I with capital I. Now we use a third variable question mark. Now let us see what happens by using for the translation method. Sorry, we have to apply, right? We have to use the another variable, what we have initialized as A, because we have X, Y, and A also we have used. So apply that. So now what happened? If we use a third variable, whatever value is in the third variable, that will be removed from the string. So here we have initialized the question mark. So that we are, even once we apply the method make trans by using three variables, the third variable will be removed from the string. So this is called the translate method. So you look at the difference between the three types of methods. In the first method, we ask to replace a single character with another character. Whatever character you want, you can use not only capital H with H, you can use X with H or something. And then in the second one, we have used the variables and we have changed the entire, some group of characters we have taken and asked to change into another group of characters, two corresponding characters, obviously. So the first letter should be this, the second letter should be, suppose if you write instead of HAI, X, Y, and Z. So H should be replaced with X, A with Y, I with the Z. Then use, if we are using two variables, we have to write make trans X comma Y because these are the variables. No need of placing them in quotes, and apply that onto the S and then again apply onto the string. So if we write down, see here, that means each character, we are changing a group of characters from one value to the other value. Here we are using a single character, and here we are specifying what character should be replaced with what character. So that is by using the variables X and Y. So H should be replaced with X, A with Y, I with the Z. We can also explain like this, and then make translate and explain translate onto the X. So this is the next, see, all H should be are replaced with X because we have asked to replace H with X. So here we also have one more H that is also replaced with X. And see here we have A. So here because we asked to replace A with Y. So here the way A is also replaced with the Y. So this is the second way of using the translate method. In the third way, we'll use another variable called A, and whatever we assign to this variable that and apply to this make translate method, then that particular character or word will be removed from the string. So here I asked to remove the question mark, and you can also give here instead of question mark, if I write U and then apply this method, then see here it has removed Y, O, U. So Y will be removed from the string, O will be removed from the string, and U will be removed from the string. So you can see here the Y, where is Y? Here Y is there, it has removed. Y, O, U has been removed. Also here we have one more O, so that also is being removed. So that is called translate method. I hope you all understood the three methods, that is split, which removes, which splits the string into the list with each word as a list item. And then we can split the string by using some separators. So at what value you want to split the string, that also you can mention. And then strip method, which removes the spaces, either it can be to the right, left, or both. If you want both, simply apply strip. If you want to remove to the right of the string, use R strip, and to the left of the string, use L strip. And then the translate method. Thank you.